Hello everyone, and today a package from the company Baltany came to us, video review. A retro quartz watch came to us. All this work is delivered in such a case on a rope. So let's open it right away and look at the configuration. Yes, we have foam rubber so as not to damage our watch during transportation. For now, we postpone it. He meets us immediately. We postpone and look at the next configuration. The package includes a warranty card for a period of 2 years from the date of purchase of this watch. Okay, next you and I have instructions here. Yes, well, that's the tool for the watch on both sides. Another tool, yes, and a cloth for wiping the glass on our watch. Yes. And let's now take our watch out of this bag and look at it in more detail. We get, and this is what it looks like with us. Notice that you and I have the Moonphase here. Yes, you and I still have it on film, but let's take it off to take a closer look at this beauty. And this is what our quartz watch looks like. Here you and I have such stars. But remember that these stars are supposedly from the Soviet Union. No, it was made by the Company of Giants and says that it is a reminder of the stars in the night sky. In the same way, during the phase of the moon, you and I have such stars here, see? And precisely also on musical notes.
І ось так він у нас з вами виглядає. Помітьте, що у нас з вами тут присутня фаза місяця. Так, він у нас з вами поки що в плівці, але давайте ми її знімемо, щоб більш детальніше погледіти на цю красу. І ось так виглядає сам наш з вами кварцовий годинник. Тут у нас з вами присутні ось такі зірочки, але не гадайте, що це зірочки нібито з Радянського Союзу. Ні, це компанія Baltany зробила і каже, що це нагадування про зірочки на небі вночі. Точно також і на фазі місяця у нас з вами тут присутні ось такі зірочки, бачите? І точно також на минутних вказівках. А ззаду у нас з вами ось так все це діло виглядає. Тут у нас з вами присутня ось така червона лінія. Не знаю, на що вона вказує, але вона тут просто у нас з вами присутня. Так, годинник у нас з вами тут оснащений кварцевим механізмом Miyota 6P24.
And this is what this whole thing looks like for you and me from behind. Here you and I have such a red line. I don't know what she is pointing to, but she is simply present here with you. Yes, the watch you and I have here is equipped with a quartz movement, Yoda 624, and our case is made of stainless steel. But the glass of this hour is sapphire. It is 001 stainless steel and has a water resistance rating of 100 meters. And this month, it will not just stand there with you, it will move with you. And when the full moon enters the invisible zone, you and I will already have stars here. That is, it really works as a lunar phase. That is, this is the so-called second dial, which indicates to us the waxing or waning moon. The diameter of the case named here is 12 millimeters. This is without a crown. The diameter of the dial itself is 120 millimeters, and the distance to the antennae with some words is 12 and 9 millimeters. The thickness here with us is 12.9 millimeters. This is included along with the glass. To set the hour you need to unscrew this one with one head. We unscrew it a little towards ourselves, pulled up like that, and now we see that when I turn my head, the hand on the clock changes.
Тягнули. Так, і тепер бачимо, що коли я повертаю голівку, у мене міняється стрілка на годиннику. І ми можемо поставити ту кількість годин, яку вам необхідно. Як заявляє компанія Baltany, ремінець у нас з вами виготовлений з натуральної шкіри. Ось так він у нас з вами виглядає. І тут у нас з вами присутній ось такий візерунок у вигляді ластівочки такої. Ширина ремінця у нас з вами становить 18 мм. І давайте зважимо наш годинник. Так, по нулям ставимо і бачимо, що його вага приблизно 58 грамів. І хочу також показати, що стрілочки у нас з вами підсвічуються уночі ось таким зеленим кольором. Ну і, звичайно ж, самі ось ці стрілочки, які вказують на години.
And we can supply the number of hours you need. As the Shelton Company states, the strap we have is made of genuine leather. This is what it looks like with us. And here we have such a person present. The pattern in the form of a swallow is like this. The width of the strap is 12 millimeters. And let's weigh ours. We set our watch to 0 and see that its weight is approximately 20 grams. And I also want to show that our arrows are illuminated at night in such a green color. And of course, these are the hands that point to the hours. And this is how they look on my hand. I have a pretty thin hand, and they don't feel bulky like other watches on my hand. These are more elegant, and that's all I have. You can buy it from the link in the description on Zelina's official website. Also, when choosing such watches, there are several colors. For example, here's the brown color of the strap. Here's the one I have now with gold plating, the one I had today for video reviews. It costs $100. Another with a brown strap, also $200. If you want it with gilding, that is, with such an edging, it costs $200. And definitely also with the brown strap all. Thanks for the review. Peace to all. Goodbye.